Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea and Art. So today I'm making a experimental coaster here and I was looking for a technique that might come out as I thought. So let's see. So what I'm doing here is I have mixed a medium viscosity resin here and I have mixed just resin white pigment paste that I use almost in every tutorial, and I'm using it on the outer rim of the coaster. So the idea is that I need to have more white here. So when you're using white, it's either a fail or it's either a win. So let's see how it turned out in this one. So here I have mixed pearlex green mica powder into the resin and I will be pouring it onto the top of the white. And here I'm adding a gold interference mica, just a simple white line. And for the center, I am filling it up with the clear resin. And with the leftover green, and I have added some foil in the center. So it's demolding time and I can see there is a beautiful effect on the back. So let's see how it turned out. So this is how it turned out. It become overpowered with the white color. So the
So what
idea
I did here
here
is
is that I sanded the top of the coaster and tried to remove the top, the white. So the idea came from the resin artist from Instagram. I will link her Instagram in my description. She often do this to her coasters if they turn out wrong. She called them a white fog and try to sand them off and get a beautiful reveal of different textures. So somehow I was a bit successful in achieving. So I top coated here and you can see, so from a very white and fail coaster it went into something different. The texture has been revealed. It took me some time to do the sanding, but I was happy that I got some effect that was underneath the white. So sometimes you have to work hard for achieving a beautiful result. So in this way I got this beautiful effect underneath. So I hope you like this quick video and the tip I have shared with you today, that sometime you need to sand and you get beautiful results that are underneath. So like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video. Take care. Bye bye.